In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Instacart. First, we begin by opening the Google Play Store. On your device's home screen, locate the icon for the Play Store. It typically looks like a colorful triangle. When you tap this icon, the Play Store will launch, revealing a vast array of apps and games available for download. This step is crucial because the Play Store is the official marketplace for Android apps. It ensures that you are accessing safe and verified applications. You will see various categories and featured apps displayed prominently. Take a moment to appreciate the layout as it will help you navigate in future app installations. Next, once the Google Play Store is open, you'll need to type Instacart into the top search field. At the top of the screen, there is a search bar where you can enter text. Click on it and using your keyboard, carefully type in Instacart. This action is significant as it directs the store to locate the specific app you want. As you type, suggestions may appear below, helping you quickly find the app. After entering the name, hit the search icon. You should see a list of results pop up on your screen. After that, it's time to choose the correct application version based on your needs. Look through the search results for the Instacart app, which usually has a logo featuring a shopping cart. It's essential to select the official app to avoid any duplicates or malicious versions. You might find different versions or related apps, but ensure you are choosing the one published by Instacart. Identifying the right app is key because it guarantees you will have the correct features and updates. Take your time to make sure you have the right one. Now, with the correct version of Instacart selected, tap on Install to add the software to your phone. You will see an Install button prominently displayed on the app's page. By tapping this, you are initiating the download and installation process. This step is vital as it begins the transformation of your smartphone, allowing you to access groceries from the comfort of your home. Once you tap Install, a progress bar will appear indicating that the app is downloading. This assures you that everything is working smoothly and soon you will have the app ready to use. After a few moments, the app will install and you'll see an option to open it. This confirmation shows that the installation was successful. You can either tap Open to launch Instacart immediately or find it later on your home screen. Having the app installed is an exciting step towards simplifying your grocery shopping. You'll soon enjoy the convenience of ordering groceries online. In summary, installing Instacart is a straightforward process that involves a few simple steps in the Google Play Store. By following these instructions, you can quickly have the app ready and start shopping for your favorite groceries. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy using Instacart.